Hey collectors, here is a look at Dr. Octopus and integrated suit Spider-Man from No Way Home Wave, which is very surprising for me as I haven't seen any promo shots of the wave with this figure. And I would like to thank Infinite Toys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. Here is a look at the back of the box and the card. First off, Doc Ock is featured with the other accessories included in the box set. And this time around, this picture now depicts what you can get in the package, as this one contains the integrated suit. Once you open Doc Ock's box, there is another box containing the figure wrapped in paper, and some of the accessories are taped at the top, so better check them out before you throw away this waste of paper products. And Hasbro, please fire whoever gave you this idea of putting them in so many paper covered packages. And here is the content of the white paper bags. The big one with Dr. Octopus has two pairs of claws plus two extra hands. The two other paper bags at the top contains these claws, and of course this big paper bag again houses Dr. Octopus with his shades. And Hasbro, if you're going to put a figure in this kind of packaging, why don't you do what NECA is doing and put some artwork or some backdrop so it can be used in some toy photography? For some, all of these paper products will go to the trash, and again, it's a lot of wasted material. The figure stands below 6.5 inches tall, and be careful when you are posing the tentacles because it's very stiff. And there's no other way going around it but just simply taking your time, putting it in a pose where you want it to be. And with the figure's body, it's a little bit gummy and stiff for this copy of mine. So again, I suggest heating up the joints and don't force it so that you won't break any part of this figure. If you are wondering if the tentacles will pop off, my answer is no. And I think that's the way Hasbro designed it so that you won't have any problem of breakage and constant popping off when you are posing it in some action poses. There are a lot of sequence in the film wherein the tentacles do the walking for Dr. Octopus. And with the way Hasbro designed this toy, you can mimic what poses he did with them during the encounter with Spider-Man or when he is climbing up the side of a building. Just find the center of balance and this figure won't fall down on your display easily. Going to the integrated suit of Spider-Man in the No Way Home wave, I thought this figure was just inserted in this card because most of the set for this wave only includes the last swing costume of Peter Parker and not this version. And I thought this one came from previous releases. Although there is the missing alternate head, which I'm not sure if it's a Peter Parker one or another mask head sculpt of Spider-Man with a different eye expression. The figure stands a little above 5.5 inches tall and sports a new ankle joint. And for me, I think the color of this figure is much brighter than the previous released figures. And here is a look at the backside of the figure. Again, the colors are, I think, much brighter, and there are black web lines on his suit. Given that this is a Spider-Man figure, most collectors are itching to copy the poses that he does in the film. But before you do so, again, I would like to remind you to heat up the joints and don't force them to avoid breaking the figure. And once you find the center of balance, you can put him in some action poses which does not require any action figure support. The Peter Parker head sculpt can be placed onto the body of the integrated suit and vice versa with the masked version. You won't have any problem changing the heads of this figure because they have the same ball joint on their necks. Now with the integrated suit, you can recreate the pose that you can see at the back of the card with all of this Spider-Man from the No Way Home film by Hasbro. I'm really not sure if this version of Spider-Man was released with the No Way Home wave, and I hope a viewer would confirm if this was indeed released or not. And my complaints for these two figures are: one, for Doc Ock, with all the wasted paper packaging, I wish they included a backdrop. And for Spider-Man, an action figure stand. And for size comparison, here they are with Duncan from Masters of the Universe by Mattel Cartoon Collection and The Dark Knight Batman by Modoking Model Kit. With Vash the Stampede from Trigun by Jazzwares and the event exclusive Nappa from Dragon Ball Z by SH Figure Arts. With Ace McDuck from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon series by NECA and Duke from G.I. Joe Ultimates by Super 7. With Voltes 5 from Voltes 5 animated series and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, both figures by Bandai Model Kit. And finally, with the other figures from the No Way Home wave: Green Goblin, Final Swing Spider-Man, Tobey and Andrew's version of Spider-Man from the multiverse. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.